Again, on the whole, this question was very well answered, 20%. There's many ways we can do this one. We can find 10%, which is the same as dividing by 10. So 10% is obviously 6. So to find 20%, we double. So 6 times 2 is 12. 4 types of counter in a bag. The table shows the number of each type of counter. This one was, people found this one quite tricky. There are more green counters than red counters, but the problem was there's not just red and green circles, there's also red and green squares. So we need the total number of red. So we've got 13 red circles and we've got 14 red squares. So we do 13 plus 14, which is 27. To work out the total number of green counters, we do this green circle, 27, plus the green square, which is 6. So 27 plus 6 is 33. So to work out the difference, we do 33, take away 27, which is 6. Okay, this fuel tank question. So the fuel tank holds 72 litres of fuel when it is full. The tank is 1/4 full. So we need to work out 1/4 of 72. So to work out a quarter, we divide by the bottom and times by the top. In this case, the top's 1. So we do 72 divided by 4, which is 18. 18 times 1 is just 18. So that tells us that each of these bars is 18. And we've already got this one. So to fill it, we only need 1, 2, 3 lots of 18, which when you type into your calculator gives you 54 litres.